Now I will show you the inside of the car. So this is S400 2018 model, and if you will see this beauty, all leather. You see too many Mercedes. Beautiful red interior. Beautiful display. Hey guys, now I'm showcasing this is S350. It's called.
Now, why you should buy this car and this from showroom? Because the top cars in Japanese car, and we import a Japanese car with new clean title cars, no accident, no damage. The car is clean.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tour with Tahir. दोस्तों आज मैं आपको लेके आया हूँ रुकन अल मासी। ये यूज़ गाड़ियों की ट्रेडिंग है। ये सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ डील करते हैं जापानीज़ गाड़ियों पे और स्पेसिफिकली मर्सिडीज़, जो कि लो माइलेज गाड़ियाँ हैं, और इस लो माइलेज की वजह से इनकी जो है क्वालिटी वो आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ कितनी अच्छी क्वालिटी है इनकी। और गाड़ियों की प्राइसेस जो है वो मुख्तलिफ हैं, इट्स डिपेंड ऑन ईयर्स, और कौन सा ईयर की गाड़ी है तो उस हिसाब से इनकी प्राइस है। तो मेरे साथ रहें, मेरी वीडियो को कंप्लीट देखें। Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tour with Tahir. My friends, today I'll bring you here RUKAN Al MASIE used car trading. It's located in Souq al Haraj. They are dealing with the Mercedes Benz, and they have low mileage vehicle, totally first owner. If you want to buy it, you are the first owner at here in the UAE, and they have a low mileage Japanese car. And you'll see this is Mercedes Benz S550 Coupe 2015, mileage only 2098 kilometers. If you will see these cars, and they have a beautiful, neat and clean cars, and the very low mileage. There is mobile number also on it. If you wanted to contact with them, there is S series 550 2009, 64,000 kilometer only. And if you will come and if you will look at it, you will see this Mercedes Benz S550 2013 model, only 63 kilo. Friends, they are dealing with the Mercedes only, and they have beautiful, neat and clean cars only at here in Souq al Haraj Sharjah. And there is mobile number also in my video and description. You will find the number. You can contact with them with the beautiful cars. It's called Al RUKAN Al MASIE used car trading. Hey guys, as I told you, they have Mercedes. So now we are showing one car. It's Mercedes Benz, and it's S400 2018 model, and they have only 33,000 kilometer mileage. Now I will show you the inside of the car. This is extra luxury car. You can see this car. So this is S400 2018 model, and if you will see this beauty, all leather and the full peach interior. The mileage is only 33,000 kilometer. You see inside and outside. It's S63. It's called S63. 6-cylinder. Actually, this car is 6-cylinder, and the price is approximately 235,000 AED. This is a beauty and beast. You can say this is beauty and the beast. This is extra luxury car, comfortable. If you will see this everywhere, you will see this finishing sound system and the AC and the digital speedometer. If you will see the finishing of this leather in the chair, also cooling, and I'll told you that when you are going to close this door, and it will be auto touch door, and this is the beauty. Now I wanted to show you this Mercedes-Benz Coupe 2015 model. The mileage is only 2000 kilometer. You see too many Mercedes, but it will be a different kind of Mercedes. It's a top one interior. It's a Coupe S 550, only 2000 kilometer driven car, import from Japan, not America, not Germany. This is import from Japan. 4MATIC S550 Coupe. Now come with me, I will show you what's inside. Beautiful red interior. Beautiful display. The finest leather, they are using finest leather, and the red top one. It's called top one actually. So now we will talk about inside. And you can see the inside. This is a 6-option car. Its AC is extraordinarily cooled, and you will see the finest leather. They have a beautiful interior as exterior. They are changing the color of the vehicle. If you will see, they are changing the too many colors. Big display. Only 2000 kilometer driven car, and it's import from Japan. Hey guys, now I'm showcasing this is S350. It's called Mercedes-Benz. 2007 model, and the price is approximately 40,000. This is also the finest car in their camp. So I will show you what's inside. 2007 model.
Cooling system, seat cooling system.
It's a black interior. Hey guys, this is Karam with me, and he is telling us about this vehicle S350 2007 model.
Now, why you should buy this car and this from showroom? Because the top cars in Japanese car, and we import a Japanese car with new clean title cars, no accident, no damage. The car is clean and all clean. And the car low mileage. All the showroom it's about under 100,000 miles. This car 85,000 miles and 2007, and like your eyes speak before your mouth. When you see the car, it's clear, no accident, no nothing. If you want, you can come and see it with your eyes.
So guys, you see this car. This is beautiful, and it's a mid-range car. You can say this called mid-range of the Mercedes. 2007 model, and the price is like 40 or 42,000 approximately, negotiable if your person will come, and I will put the detail in the description of this showroom. And share this video to your family and friends. He is a Karam. He is the actual you can say proprietor of this showroom. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you wanted to know the detail, all detail will be in description, and follow my YouTube channel also. Thank you very much. Peace.